The front door is one of the first features visitors and passers-by notice about a home. For homeowners in Layton, investing in new replacement doors is an effective way to enhance curb appeal while also improving security, energy efficiency, and overall home value. A well-chosen door makes a strong impression and sets the tone for the rest of the property, creating a welcoming entrance that elevates both aesthetics and function. One of the primary benefits of replacing an old or outdated door is improved visual appeal. Over time, doors can fade, warp, or develop scratches and dents, diminishing the overall look of the home. Modern replacement doors come in a variety of materials, finishes, and styles, allowing homeowners to select a design that complements the architecture of their home. Whether you prefer a classic wood look, a sleek fiberglass finish, or a durable steel option, a new door can dramatically update the exterior and create a fresh, polished appearance. Color selection plays a major role in boosting curb appeal. Bright, bold, or contrasting colors can make the front entrance pop, while neutral tones can complement other exterior elements for a cohesive look. Homeowners in Layton can choose from a wide range of colors and finishes to suit personal style preferences and enhance the home's overall aesthetic. Adding decorative glass inserts or side panels can further elevate the entrance, providing visual interest and a welcoming feel. Energy efficiency is another important reason homeowners upgrade their doors. Modern replacement doors are designed with insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient materials that reduce air leaks. In Layton's varying climate, an energy-efficient door helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduces heating and cooling costs, and improves overall comfort. By keeping drafts and temperature fluctuations at bay, homeowners enjoy a more energy-conscious and comfortable living space. Security is a key consideration when replacing a front door. Older doors may have worn locks, weak frames, or outdated materials that compromise safety. New replacement doors feature advanced locking systems, reinforced frames, and durable construction, providing peace of mind for homeowners and protecting both property and family. A secure door also enhances the perception of the home, giving visitors and neighbors a sense of care and attention to detail. Functionality and ease of use are equally important. High-quality replacement doors are designed to operate smoothly, with durable hinges, handles, and hardware that withstand daily use. For busy homeowners, this ensures the door remains reliable, easy to open, and low maintenance. Many doors also include features such as low-maintenance finishes, impact-resistant glass, and weather-resistant materials, further enhancing their long-term value. Curb appeal is not just about aesthetics, it influences the overall impression of the property. A well-chosen replacement door can complement landscaping, siding, and exterior decor, creating a harmonious and attractive facade. In neighborhoods like Layton, where homes are often compared for style and upkeep, a new front door can make a significant difference in standing out and boosting the home's overall appeal. For homeowners considering resale, new replacement doors can increase property value. Buyers are drawn to homes that look well-maintained and feature modern, attractive entryways. A stylish and energy-efficient door is not only visually appealing but also signals thoughtful maintenance and upgraded features, which can make a home more desirable and competitive in the market. Another way replacement doors improve curb appeal is through customization. Homeowners can choose from various designs, including single or double doors, decorative panels, side lights, and transom windows. Custom hardware, finishes, and glass options allow homeowners to create a front entrance that is unique and reflective of personal style, enhancing both individuality and charm. Professional installation ensures that the new door functions properly and looks seamless. Proper fitting prevents drafts, misalignment, or operational issues, maintaining both the performance and aesthetic quality of the door. Experienced installers help homeowners select the right size, style, and materials to complement the home and achieve the best results. In conclusion, installing new replacement doors in Layton is a powerful way to boost curb appeal while improving security, energy efficiency, and home value. By selecting a high-quality, well-designed door and ensuring professional installation, homeowners can create a welcoming and stylish entrance that enhances the exterior appearance of their home. With improved functionality, modern design options, and long-term durability, replacement doors provide both immediate visual impact and lasting benefits for any property.